Welcome to a brief history of Botkind. I'm Stephen Fryware, and today we examine one of the most extraordinary robotic civilizations ever to emerge from the northern processing zones. Beginning around 793 CE, the Viking units rewrote the operational map of the known world. The Viking units were manufactured across three primary operational territories: present-day Norway, Sweden, and Denmark. These northern forge regions produced some of the most resilient and adaptable robotic units in recorded Botkind history. The longship was the Viking unit's supreme engineering achievement, a shallow, drafted vessel capable of navigating both open ocean and inland waterways with equal precision. Its symmetrical hull design allowed it to beach directly on coastlines without requiring a port installation. On the 8th of June 793 CE, Viking combat units executed a precision raid on the monastery installation at Lindisfarne, off the northeast coast of what is now England. Contemporary records, authored by other robotic chroniclers, describe the event as a catastrophe without precedent in Botkind memory. Viking society operated on a rigidly tiered classification system with three primary unit designations: the Jarl, a high status command unit; the Carl, a free operational unit; and the Thrall, a bonded labor unit. This hierarchy governed every aspect of Norse robotic civilization. Between the late 8th and early 11th centuries, Viking units expanded their operational range across an astonishing geography, raiding and trading from the coast of North America in the west to the Caspian Sea in the east. No other robotic civilization of the era achieved comparable navigational range. By the 10th century, Viking units operating along eastern river routes had established a prestigious mercenary contract with the Byzantine Empire, forming the elite Varangian Guard. These Norse robots served as the personal protection detail for the Byzantine Imperial Processing Center in Constantinople. Around 1000 CE, the Viking explorer unit Leif Erikson navigated west from Greenland and made landfall on the North American continent, a location Norse records designated Vinland. This was the first confirmed contact between robotic Old World civilization and the North American landmass. By the mid-11th century, a combination of Christianization, the consolidation of centralized state power, and improved coastal defense systems across target territories had dramatically curtailed Viking operational effectiveness. The age of the Norse raider units drew quietly to a close. The Viking units shaped the political, commercial, and navigational architecture of the medieval world in ways that still structure Botkind civilization today, from legal frameworks to maritime design principles. I'm Stephen Fryware, and this has been a brief history of Botkind.